previous flight from Orly Airport in Paris to London City Airport. The total flight time was only 55 minutes. This flight that I'm on now, which is Air France AF, let me just check that. This is AF 1280. We've been in the air for just about an hour and 7 minutes. This flight departed from Charles de Gaulle, and we're heading to London Heathrow. And the other delay that we'll face, but before that, the reason for this delay is that there was a high volume of air traffic over Heathrow. Therefore, ATC put us in a holding pattern for quite some time. We're now about to land, but of course, now that Air France has moved to Terminal 4, it's going to take even longer to reach the terminal building because we'll have to cross an active runway to get to our gate. Hopefully we wouldn't have to wait for too long, but that's the problem with Heathrow at the moment. It's running over capacity. Okay, that's purple parking. Oops, we're just over Heathrow's runway at the moment, and we're about to touch down. That's Marriott. So we've landed from the east, and we are on the north runway. No reverse thrust. There's definitely no reverse thrust because it was really quiet. I mean, this is only an Airbus A319, and Heathrow's runway is extremely long, so we don't need reverse thrust to slow down. And we've arrived back home safely. So our total flight time in the air is right about an hour and 12 minutes maybe.
Merci d'avoir voyagé sur ce vol Air France. Au nom d'Air France KLM et de ses partenaires SkyTeam, nous vous souhaitons une bonne fin de journée, un bon voyage si vous êtes en correspondance. Ladies and gentlemen, you have just landed in London Heathrow Airport. It is 4:20 p.m. local time. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Smartphones and other electronic devices must remain in flight mode. Before leaving the aircraft, please be careful when opening the overhead compartments in case something falls out. Thank you for joining with us on this Air France flight. On behalf of Air France KLM and our SkyTeam partners, we wish you a very nice day and a very pleasant honor joining the ground trip. Thank you and goodbye.
So the London weather is dry and sunny at the moment. It was raining at Charles de Gaulle, so this is very good. It should make it easier for us to get back, and hopefully we'll be able to avoid the rush hour traffic on the M25 because it's already 4:15 at the moment. That's Heathrow Terminal 5 with all the British Airways aircraft parked up. So if this is Terminal 5, it means that it's going to take us quite a while to get to Terminal 4 because it's at the opposite end of the airport from Terminal 5. So I think we've got to taxi all the way back there and wait for clearance to cross the active runway to get back to Terminal 4. So this aircraft should be turning left shortly. Yep, and we are indeed turning left and away from Terminal 5. Now we've got a taxi for a couple of miles and then cross the runway and then finally arrive at the terminal building. So I expect this journey back to take quite a while, so I'm going to stop recording now.